Here's a probably recently extinct animal that you didn't know existed, the Bachman's Warbler. This is the Bachman's Warbler. It is probably extinct, however, it's not 100% confirmed. It used to be found in the summer months in southern areas of the United States, such as South Carolina, and in the winter months down in Cuba. The last confirmed sighting was in 1988, almost 50 years ago, and there is no evidence of this bird still being around, not even like nesting sites or egg shells or anything like that. Now, currently there is still some disagreement as to whether or not this bird is fully extinct. The U.S. Department of Fish and Wildlife Services, they declared this bird to be extinct in 2023. However, the IUCN Red List of Endangered Species still classifies this bird as critically endangered and not yet extinct. This is due to the fact that not every viable habitat has been thoroughly searched, and there is still a slight possibility of them remaining in some areas. So they're kind of holding off on the fully extinct status until a couple more of those possibly viable habitats have been searched and analyzed fully. As for possible reasons for this bird's extinction, the majority of the threats come from habitat loss. The Bachman's warblers were frequently seen in the canebrake areas of the United States, which are a critically threatened type of habitat all on their own. I've made a whole video about the importance of canebrakes before, but basically these birds in the United States areas definitely relied on the canebrakes, and in Cuba they relied on similar habitats which have mostly been destroyed to make way for sugarcane plantations. There is also evidence that a massive hurricane in the winter of 1932 caused a big hit to the warbler population and caused the overall numbers to decrease so much that they couldn't really reestablish a viable breeding population, and then slowly declined since then, along with the destruction of the canebrakes and other habitats that they relied on. So, while it is a distinct possibility that Bachman's warblers are in fact extinct, there is also a possibility that they're not, and hopefully further research will discover a healthy population that can then be protected and helped along to reestablish the population in the future.